How to unmute notes on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can unmute notes on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to unmute notes on Instagram, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and just make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch your Instagram app, you're going to see this type of interface. Now let's say that you just want to mute someone. What you normally do is you just happen to go to their DMs page, or maybe you just go to the profile page just like this, right? I'll just go to this person's profile page. If I normally want to mute this person, what I do is I just tap this following tab here. You'll find mute option. Here you'll find notes, and now you've basically muted them. If you want to unmute their notes, similarly go to the profile page, tap the following button, tap on mute option over here as you can find it. Once you tap on mute, here you'll find notes, and if you've muted them, you'll find this option or this blue toggle. To turn it off, you can just unmute them by just tapping on turning off this toggle. This way you can unmute notes on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.